What?
Lamig na hawakan.
They're used to parameters of their subway movies. They actually package
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard. On our way to the mountain station, we'll be going over 5 towers. Each tower we come down off of, we will sway very slowly. We'll rotate for you like slowly, just 2 times. 42 degrees and up with clouds and some wind.
Sige na, para
Say hi! Ikot pala to.
parang bumago tayo sa
Tingnan mo patas, oh. Tingnan mo yung
New rotating tram cars providing you 360
nadulas naman ako.
Naka-video to. Naka-video.
Step out and take part in at an elevation of 8,516 feet. We'll travel over 2 of
Hindi, inaano ko tayo, binibidyo ko. Minsan ate, Gigi.
At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler with wild and the trees and flowers in front. We'll travel over 5 towers, the tallest. 227 feet. Multi-story building. All other towers and the mountains have to be constructed by transporting workers and the materials to the various sites by helicopter. With the new rotating tram cars, improvements included new cable, drive system, and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey work. Indicate where rock the new camp, the first in the Western Hemisphere. We're now once the summer
ayun na yung akyatin natin yun.
year round, the canyon has an abundance, including sycamore, nothing, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild rainbow. Forest College is the one big waterfall fed by runoff. During our upward journey, we pass through a variety of different lifestyles, ranging from the desert to the alpine and ranches. Like making the motor trip from Mexico. The only place in Southern California. As we approach tower number 2, top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 yellow helicopter platform. Now, during the tram,
Umiikot.
As you no doubt already noticed, we experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transitioned from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion resulted in the car moving from the tower. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Lohl Company. All moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables in the support, movement, and communication of the tramway. The largest of these are the track cables involved in ride. They weigh just under 9,000 foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 foot in length. Therefore, weighing totally more than 61 The halfway point on our trip was reached between towers 2 and 3. Downward cars traveling fast actually moving in exactly the same speed. Because both cars are tied together by a hauling cable, which move with the car. You see, the drive shaft at the Valley Station is pulling that car down, and in turn, is pulling us out. The two cars are 34 feet apart. The first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Francis Crocker. To this day, is known as the father of the tramway. The original tramway was completed in September 1926. Contracted with the Bungalow Tram the construction and installation of these rotate tram one of which you are right, and a total cost of well just this very beginning. No tax dollars to use in the cost of the construction and the operation of the tram.
I made another thing. Where the
Please make sure you're holding on to this approaching tower, Tower 3.
Kailangan daw nakahawak kayo eh. Ayan o. Kailangan nakahawak ka daw. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
So bad. Oh, that part's bad.
It is between towers 3 and 4 we reach the longest span of the journey. Guard is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip. The majestic spire of the Cathedral Rock. This is the solid granite core of these mountains. As we continue our journey, the light zone. You'll see a natural residents of the high country include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and yellow horse.
Mountain lion, o? Mountain lion.
Hindi pa tayo naandun. Naano pa tayo hanggang doon tayo. Ay, ang ganda ng view doon. Mick, kayo no. Ang ganda ng view doon. Tayo.
The smallest of the five
Paano ko kaya?
tower number 4. 50
Wala namang view dyan.
located at an elevation of 7,570 feet.
Yan mo naman, wala mo yung
There, the view is truly spectacular.
Tingnan mo yun, nakita mo yun. Ang ganda oh.
Wow. Wow, look at that.
Wow, nakuha na. Ay, tingnan mo yung pinanggalingan natin. Oh.
Yan ang baba. Layo na.
Below, you will be able to see the desert city and far south of the Northern Sea. Trail name. And to the right of our travel is San Gorgonio at 11,409 feet, the tallest mountain in Southern California. We are nearing the end of our journey now, and then the state park and wilderness are more than 54 miles of summer hiking trails and many miles of snowshoe cross-country ski opportunities. This is, by the way, one of the very few pristine wilderness areas in Southern California. Moderately easy trail. Mountains just behind. Adventure beyond mountain station.
Nay, ano pa naman kinapit sa Dubai?
Ay, naku, mas mataas ito.
Please stay on the prepared trail.
Mas mataas ito.
In the mountains,
Dito nakatali
you'll
ka.
discover the Grand Restaurant with one of the finest panoramic views of the country. Available at
Kapagka kayo dyan, hindi na kapagka na kayo dyan.
Reservation is shown in the small theater. From the first deep snow until spring, the Adventure Center is operated with snow tubing, snowshoeing, cross-country ski equipment rental. The center makes on the Creek Trail to During summer weekends, skate park volunteers conduct nature walks on Long Valley. Times are posted at the mountain station. The Tramway
Parang
department
babangga tayo.
are announced on the address system. We hope you'll enjoy a visit to this beautiful wilderness environment, and we thank you for being with us on the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway.
Dito na lang tayo.
Baba na tayo.
As the cabin is docking, we'll bump the sides. Please make sure you're holding on.
Umakda kayo. Magkaya tayo. Babangga tayo.
Diyos ko po.
When I open the cabin doors, ladies and gentlemen, if you'll kindly exit directly inside the building, please do not remain out here on the dock area. Restaurants and observation decks are open for you inside the building on the third level. Enjoy the cool weather, and we'll see you on the way down.
Meron pala dito eh. Babaan. Ay, walang babaan ganito.
Okay, uhulog tayo. Sabi sa tayo, isa tayo.
Slide na lang, slide.